Hello guys, welcome again to another video. Today, we are talking about what to do to earn $1,000 every month with crypto. Making money with crypto is very hard and also simple. Especially now, we all have smartphones and laptops, so that's all you need to be making $1,000 in crypto. Let's start with numbers 1. Investing in cryptocurrency. Buy and hold digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, aiming for their value to grow over time. This approach is similar to investing in stocks, where you benefit from long-term appreciation. If you're unsure which cryptocurrencies are worth holding, don't worry, I've got you covered. In my next video, I'll highlight cryptocurrencies with strong, long-term potential. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Number 2. Day trading. Cryptocurrency. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies frequently throughout the day to profit from short-term price changes. This requires quick decisions and frequent trading. Number 3. Airdrops. Receive free cryptocurrencies or tokens from new projects or campaigns. It's a way to get involved with new digital assets without spending money. Number 4. Staking. Lock up your cryptocurrency to help support a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest on a savings account. Ha! Number 5. Crypto lending. Lend your cryptocurrencies to others and earn interest. It's similar to earning interest from a bank, but using your digital assets. Number 6. Mining. Use special computers to solve complex problems that validate transactions on a blockchain. In return, you can earn new cryptocurrency coins. It's like a high-tech way of earning digital money.
Wow!
Number 7. Yield farming. Provide your cryptocurrencies to decentralized financial platforms to help them operate. In exchange, you earn additional cryptocurrencies. It's like earning rewards for making your assets available.